friends, coming to you today with another original idea. I want to make something patriotic for my front door, and I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw these little doggy waste bags, royal blue, and just thought they would be so pretty to make something with for this time of year. Now I know the doggy waste bags seem a little off-putting, but if you've ever bought these, you know they're just little miniature plastic multi-purpose bags, but they do market them as doggy waste bags. It's not any different than cutting up a plastic tablecloth and using strips of plastic. My wreath's base is going to be just the inside of a 10-inch embroidery hoop. You could use a wire hoop, cardboard hoop, whatever hoop you can come up with. I'm going to embellish my wreath with some little wooden stars. There's lots of ways you could find stars, and I didn't take the time to look at Dollar Tree, but this way was just to buy a pack of wooden stars from Walmart for like $1.50, and I got 6 big ones, and it'll be great for this. Now if you choose to use a smaller hoop, just adjust your star size. It'll all work out. This 6-inch hoop would make a 16-inch wreath, and this 10-inch hoop is going to make a 20-inch wreath. And my house is off the road quite a ways, and I like for my front door wreaths to be oversized. So this is probably not going to take 30 minutes, but the first thing I need to do is open up my package of little bags and get them all separated, and I get 80 to a bag, and I'm really thinking 80 will be enough. I picked up another bag just in case, but even buying 2 bags plus the paint plus the stars, this little wreath can be made for less than $5. Got my 80 bags torn apart, and I'm not going to put my hand in the bag. I'm just unfolding the bag and making it flat like this. This is just going to help the bags be a little fluffier when I attach them to the embroidery ring. Share with you a quick little tip to get them unfolded really quick. If you will lick your finger and thumb and just rub it on the bag, they just instantly come apart, and it'll make this go a lot faster. I mean, it only takes about 10 minutes or so, but you know what it's like trying to open up a plastic bag. Now that I've got all my 80 bags separated and laid out flat, I'm going to go ahead and paint my stars so they can be drying when I tie the bags onto my ring. And just so you know, I use the Apple Barrel Flag Red, and then I'm going to brush a little of this red glitter glue on there. I want to show you the difference between, hopefully the camera will pick it up, one with the glitter glue and one without. It really jazzes up your stars a lot more, and if I'm not mistaken, Dollar Tree sells glitter glue. I just happen to have this red bottle of Stickles. Just squirt a little pea size on there. I've seen glitter glue at Dollar Tree, so it just really makes your stars sparkle and make your wreath look even better. So look for that red glitter glue. It's worth $1 to add that to your stars. All right, I am ready now to start tying my bags on there, and there's really no right or wrong way. You know, you could tie it just like you do in your shoe. It doesn't matter, but this is the way I'm going to do it, and I just kind of call this a slip knot. I pick it up, and then whatever way you decide to do it, make sure you do it that way all the way around so that your little knots are uniform. But I'm just making sure my ends are even, and just, I call this a slip knot. Stick my finger through there, pull it through there, and just pull and tug until it's snug a little bit. But as they get tighter, they will stay in place. So I'm going to work my way all around the wreath. I'm about halfway done, and I went ahead and counted how many I had, and I counted 28. So if I doubled that, that's close to 60. So I think one package of those little bags are going to work out perfectly for a 10-inch hoop. So, all right, I got my little ring totally covered, and it took exactly 59 or 60 little bags. So one little dollar bag of those bags will be plenty if you have a 10-inch circle, and even less if you choose to use a smaller circle. And the only thing left to do is hot glue my stars. around the center. And since it's dark outside and I can't show you on the door, I'm just going to prop it up and show you the finished wreath. I think I have a winner here. It is so adorable, so nice and fluffy. It's going to look so cute on my door. Now with my stars being a little bigger, they need a little something. So I think I'm going to put some polka dots on my stars. So I'll be back. All right, I have my polka dots on there now, and that's exactly what this wreath needed to finish it out, red, white, and blue. And I just used one of these little miniature daubers and twisted it in the paint. But there is a million and one ways you could finish out this blue wreath. This is just one idea. If you didn't want to fool with painting and decorating your own stars, this time of year in the dollar store seasonal sections, there are little stars all over the place. So you could just glue them on and make this wreath even more simple. My wheels are turning, thinking about the other colors of bags they have and to make some other kind of wreath. Stay tuned and we'll see what I come up with. I sure love how this turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.